All right, so gonna do some headlights on my Ram. Somebody was nice enough to send me some LEDs. So I'm gonna show you how to put them into a Ram. Should be 25 and 3500, should fit the same. I need to redo the plastic on my grill or get a new one, and my bumper. They're both looking rough. So if anybody wants to, PayPal that on over. I'm just kidding. Anyway, let's hop into these. These are the headlights we're putting in, Basler. And these will, let's see, this is called the Bullet series. So this is gonna be the high beam. It's gonna be LED for my 2015 Ram 3500. I'm gonna drop a link in the bottom for you guys to get a little discount code. And I'll probably type it in right here too. But anyway, let's throw some headlights in this thing. Opening it up, some really cool packaging. So even, hey, you can get a product manual for headlights, man. Check this out. That's pretty cool. And that is their logo. Boss Auto LED lighting. I believe I'm saying that correctly. I hope I am. And yeah, that's really nice. So take these out and get them put in real quick. So you can see how bad my headlight is. These are notorious for getting water in them. I've seen them have water well up to here in them. I can't tell you where it comes in at. It seems to be sealed, but to get the headlights out the easiest, y'all don't make fun of my grill. Anyway, if y'all watch my channel at all, you know I'm gonna cry about not having money to fix it, but guess what? I probably could, but I'm not. So first things first, take this little shroud off. Yours has been off before at all. These are gonna be worn out, but pop them up. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. And just set it back out of the way. Next thing, you've got, let's see, are these 10s or 8s? They're 10s. 10 millimeter here, 10 millimeter here, here, and one on the very opposite end here. So once those are out, once those 4 are loose, slide forward. I don't know if you can see, there's 1 and 2 down in there, but you just pop them loose. So this is kind of this tab goes into that hole on both sides, so you just pull the grill straight forward. I've got a video on removing this grill otherwise. I may try and plastic dip it tonight. I don't know. It's kind of cool out here, so probably wouldn't hold. All right, so then gives you quick it's this one and this one. So not this one. This one holds this little plastic piece on. So that 10 millimeter there. All right, last thing, that white plastic piece, we're gonna try and slide it up. I'm gonna press up on it. It's gonna be hard to show you. See that? So that's the last little clip holding this headlight in, and should be able to, there we go. Now we have access to whichever bulb you want to change. Me, I'm going with some LEDs on the high beams. So let me show you how to swap that. Also going to remove this cap. Ta-da! And that's going to give me access. I'm going to twist this one out. And if you'll notice, since I'm doing an LED swap, I've got to put in this little pigtail. So I'm just going to tuck that pigtail around. So this new one is just going to slip into the place of the old one. I really wish I had a better way to hold this for you guys, but that's it. Then I'm gonna take this old bulb out. I'm gonna put it away since it's a good bulb, and it's really just plug and play. And then I have LEDs. So let me do you a little before and after and see what they look like. Well, quite a difference. That LED is blinding, whereas the regular halogen is definitely not. They also suggest drilling a hole in your dust cover on the back of the headlight to give it a little ventilation. So that's what we did. So that's your just looking straight ahead before and after. Let's get a little usage before and after. All right, so these are my headlights before I go LED. That's bright. Yeah. here is the difference after. That's dim. Right. Lots more to see. I like it. I can see better. I'm pretty excited to get it out on the road actually and see how much better it is on the highway, but I like it so far. So check out Basler headlights. I'll leave all the links in the description.